To share and allow your users to manage your stock with multiple accounts, there are two solutions. First, you can simply share your Google Sheets file by adding an email address as an editor. Second, if you don't want to share the file directly, you can give your users access only to the console. To do this, simply grant editor rights to the Fixeets service email address on your file. Once done, you can assign permissions to your users and share an access link with them by email. You can also access and share the console on your phone or tablet by scanning the QR code. You are now ready to manage your inventory efficiently, so go ahead and download the free Inventory Management with Sheets add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace.